In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Samsung Q600 and many other models. So what you need to do, okay, turn on your soundbar, press the power button. Once the soundbar is powered on, you need to check the display. On this model, my display is in the middle, but on your Q600, there's a good chance that your display is on the right side. Okay, so what you need to do next is to press the plus and minus button on the top of the soundbar, both at the same time for 5 seconds, until on the display you see INIT. Okay, once you see these letters, you can release those buttons. So let's do it together. I'll take two fingers here, I'm pressing them. Again, my screen is in the middle, yours is on the right side, just wait. Okay, I see this message, I can lift my fingers, then you're gonna see OK. Wait a few seconds, after 5 seconds, the soundbar will be resetted, the OK will disappear. Now you can go ahead and reconnect this soundbar with your TV using Bluetooth or any other methods, and hopefully your problem will be gone forever, whatever it was. Thanks for watching, I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.